Hey, what is up, YouTube? I'm back again with another review. Today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the Apron Toxicological Agents Protective M-2, one each, size extra large. It has a cure date of 4/01 and inspected 4/4, and it's manufactured in December of 2001. So this thing was put into service when I was 1 or 2, and it was inspected when I was 4, or taken out of service, I don't know what. But here it is. It's unissued in its package. This thing was only $8 from a surplus store on the other side of the state. I've always wanted to get one of these things, but I kind of wanted to get one of the 60s dated ones. But this is a newer one, so that's alright, I guess. I do notice that size extra large. I wasn't aware that the newer ones actually had sizes, so I'm actually curious to see how this is going to fit. Now, of course, it is an apron, so it's going to be relatively big in general, but I don't know the size charts on these things, so I'm 5'7", so I hope it fits. But anyways, this is for collector's purpose anyways. So, originally made in these bags like this with the label on there. You can see the national stock number, the cage number, and all that good stuff. I only paid $8 for it. Pretty much everywhere else on the internet you're going to be paying upwards to $24 to $25. So I got really lucky with this thing. That surplus store has always been really good, but I noticed this time when I went back, found a lot more aftermarket stuff like Black Hawk or Fox Outdoor, Rothco. So that was unfortunate, but I kind of think that's most surplus stores these days. Alright. And you can see it is very, very big. So it looks like it has 2 clips in the back with a thick canvas type material, the quick release buckles. Let's see if we can find a stamp anywhere on here. Probably on towards the bottom, maybe. I don't know. I've never. Oh, right here. So it's Apron Toxicological Agents Protective M2 2001 extra large. Proper International. I didn't know Proper actually made these things. That's really interesting. You guys might know or recognize Proper from making BDUs and whatnot like that. So yeah, apparently Proper made these things too. And you got your sleeves, which are adjustable, and I'll throw it on for you guys. Now this thing was originally designed to be used with your Toxicological Agents Protective suit. So I used to own one of those. I sold it. I kind of regret it a little bit, but you know, to tell you guys the truth, for the most part, it just sat in my closet in a box and just took up space. So I guess it's whatever. Or you could use it as I'm wearing. You guys might have noticed by seeing my feet there. Or the back side is that I'm wearing the Woodland Camo NBC suit, the normal charcoal ones. And what's really interesting about this one is that I got it at a gun show a few years ago, and a good friend of mine always gives me good deals. He threw in, I bought this suit, a sealed one, and a partial J-list modern one. The charcoal is coming out of this one, so I just took it over to the laundromat and just washed it a couple times. So now it's fine. It's demilitarized. It can never be used for hunting or that scent lock stuff, or for real chemical warfare. So it's just cosmetic, really. But for anybody who owns these NBC suits knows that the charcoal isn't fun to deal with. It actually fits the apron itself, though. Looks like it fits pretty true to size. That's awesome. I don't really know what else you could use this for. If you're a doomsday prepper, you could get one of these things and throw it over your NBC suit like I did. Yeah, so this is the review of the M-2 Toxicological Agents Protective Apron. Like I said, they designed these things way back in the 60s. The old ones have metal buckles, which I'd like to find one of those. And I think the old ones have ties in the back. This one just has a snap, or I mean a plastic Fastex buckle. I'll try and buckle it here. Alright, looks like I was able to, you know, I don't think I did it right. Usually you'd have 2 people working with you, you know, just the simple buddy system while setting up your PPE, personal protective equipment. So I was able to get one of the buckles done. You can kind of see how that looks. And then these things the sleeves seem to be adjusted pretty fine. So like I said, to wrap this up, this is the Toxicological Agents Protective Apron, size M2, size extra large from 2001. I hope you guys enjoyed the review. I hope you found it useful. If you guys are working with chemicals or anything like that, then I suppose you could get one of these if you really wanted to. Other than doomsday prepping or collecting purposes like mine, I might actually sell this one eventually and get a 60s dated one because of that. Then I'd say go ahead and get one. But if you don't really have any interest of chemical warfare gear, then I don't think it would be a need-to-have item. So yeah, guys, that's the review. Hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, have a nice day.